Here's another house for sale in Mussomeli, Sicily. The house next door is getting some renovations, so this court area will be even more beautiful. It's offered for €7,500, and we're starting at the top floor. This top floor, I think, would be good for a master bedroom. Up here is just a little bit of an attic, so there is some storage space there. The floors in this house are beautiful. You really can't tell because it needs a deep, deep clean. I cannot exaggerate how deep of a clean, but it will be beautiful. Here's one of the balconies, and it has somewhat of a view, and then the middle floor also has a balcony. This would be terrific for the primary bedroom because that back closet would fit a bathroom. I unfortunately didn't video the closet, but a shower, toilet, and sink would fit into that space, and you could have a bathroom up there eventually. This wallpaper was rough, so you'd have to take it down, do a little plaster and paint, and do a little plaster on the ceiling. See my flashlight? The stairs are in good condition, and then the middle floor we're going down to. Again, the floors will be beautiful once they're cleaned. I think this will be terrific for a living room and also have a sofa bed, so if you have guests and you still have your private space up there. And here's another balcony, and seeing in the courtyard area again. You could park in that area also, which is super handy. And then mount the TV on the wall if you're having, for the living room. Mount the TV on the wall, have a sofa bed, and then, some chairs, coffee table, whatever. It's a good amount of space. This house is 82 square meters total, and it's a good amount of space. You might ask why they leave them this way, because most of the time the houses that are vacant and have been inherited, they don't want to pay the taxes on a second home, so they'd like to go ahead and sell it. I would love for them to clean them or stage them. It just does not happen that way. But if I were you, I'd have it cleaned before moving in, even seeing it, just because you want it to be shiny and beautiful before you get here. Stairs look really good going down. There's 2 doors. There was that one front door. There's another one coming off this kitchen. This good kitchen. Also, the bathroom is a good size bathroom, which is half the time they're under the stairs and slanted. But this is a really good size bathroom. The kitchen, you can have the washer dryer, or washer. Most people just have the washing machines. I have a washer dryer combo in the rental houses, and that can go underneath the counter. So this space right there would be the dining table, and then the kitchen kind of either in an L or just straight across that wall, and the dining table would fit really nice. You can open up those doors, take your table outside if you want into the courtyard area, the little patio. It'll be so nice for the summer. And I'll show you again the outside. If you're interested or have any questions, the contact information is in the description.